I'm going to demonstrate how to collect features using the Collector app. I'm outside with a clear view of the sky, so I'm going to open Collector. And I already have the map downloaded to my device, so I'm going to tap on the map card to open it. Notice that's red right now, and then it switched to green. It's red when it hasn't calculated your location yet. As soon as it does, it zooms into your position and gives you a blue dot showing your estimated position. And it also gives you an accuracy minus 10.8 feet right now. This tablet is wide enough to have both the map view and the feature panel on the side. If you have a smaller device, then you may have to toggle back and forth there will be buttons for you if it's too small, showing the map view and the add new feature view. So I'm actually ready to collect the point. I'm going to do a picnicking area, and I'm in the spot that I'd like to map in. So I'm going to go ahead and select picnicking. And enter some information on the side. We'll give it a name. And we'll use the current date. And we're not done at this point because I would like to add an attachment with this paper clip looking button. It's the add attachment button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I can either take a picture now or add one that I've already taken. I'm going to do a picture that I've already taken from the camera. There's my picnic area. And now you can see that it's been added as an attachment. I can add more pictures if I want to. When I'm all done, I need to mark that I am done so that the feature will save. And if you are on an Android, you'll have a check mark. And oops, I touched the screen and I moved it. Don't touch the screen or it will move your feature. So to get it back where it's supposed to be, I can click on this icon that looks like a person with a dot next to it. That's going to take the feature back to my current location. You can use that if you are editing existing data and you need to move a point. So when I clicked on that, it popped my feature down to this location. So I'm happy with where it's at. I'm happy with my attachments and what I've typed in. So I'm going to click on the check mark. In the iOS devices, it's a submit button that you click on to save. So now I have my feature in there, and it's actually highlighted right here. That feature, if I needed to edit it, I would just click on that triangle in the corner, and it would give me the option to either edit it, and I could change things, or I can delete it. I can also make a copy or zoom to it. All right, so there's our point feature. I'm going to go to the plus button because we want to map a trail now. So I'm going to scroll through my options. I'm going to pick a closed trail. And it has not started recording positions yet. That's not going to happen until I choose start streaming. So I'm going to use this time now to enter some information about the trail. Give it a trail number, and I'll call it the Dusty Trail. And it also wants a revision date. I'll use the current. It automatically put that the status was closed. And I could add comments or an attachment. I'm probably just going to pause later on if I wanted to add a photograph. So I'm ready to start walking. I'm going to start streaming. And this is when I start moving. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what's happening on the screen. The red location on there is the last position that's been recorded in your line. If I make any turns, I want to go slow enough that I capture all the vertices in my turn. And when I'm finished with my trail, I choose Done or Submit.